Hey guys, Dolby Dog here, and today I figured I'd make a video because we got ourselves a 2016 Dolby car. This is an 05 Taurus, Ford Taurus. She is got 175,000 miles with the original transmission, which is impressive. And let me just go ahead and back her out so you guys can see more of it. And what's this? Is this a GoPro? Oh yes, it's a GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition. It just keeps on adding up, boys, doesn't it? Hopefully we'll have that in the Demolition Dolby. And the Demolition Dolby is on the 19th. Today is the 11th. Wait, no, today's the 12th. It's like, it's so close. Look at that. Apparently it has the original transmission. Now the engine light is on because there's actually a hole in the gas tank. So, yeah, that gives us a good excuse to change the gas tank. There we go. Let's get out of here. Hopefully I don't have the tent. Okay, there goes the antenna. And here we go. There goes the automatic dual locks. These shifters though. It drives like a piece of crap, but what do you expect? It's a Ford Taurus. And it's a demo car, so. Alright, well, I'm actually going to shut her down because, you know. Well, let's go check out the thing about it. We'll pop the trunk and the hood. So let's go check out the back seat. Actually, I'm going to have to unlock it. I'm trying to hold up the keys. Okay, there we go. Okay. Look at this, boys. She's got some major rust issues. Look at that. She's a rusty one. That's probably going to affect it in the Demo Dolby, but it's so late, I don't even care. Spare tire. I'm stripping this thing apart today, actually, right after this video, so. Because I don't got that much time left. Even comes with the original owner's manual. Right here. And here's the, let me get under the hood for you guys. The actual hydraulics actually work. It's a 3.0 V6, so it's the good big model, I believe. I believe this is the big model. Air conditioning works absolutely great. I mean, it's almost sad to get rid of it. I mean, have to get it out. But the headlights are in magnificent shape, so we're gonna keep those, boys. Check the oil already, it's good. Haven't checked the transmission fluid. Hopefully that's good too. No, where is that dipstick? There goes the little field. There's a field behind my house, so they have that little thing to keep the boards off it, so. I don't know. I'm gonna check that out later, but I'm gonna start stripping this thing, so I couldn't get more of an in-depth video, but I really gotta get to work on this thing, so bye bye everybody for now, and see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for videos about this car.